Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at whether or not you may be eligible to bring a claim for compensation for an accident resulting in a shoulder injury. I'll be taking a look at whether or not you can claim, along with how we recommend that you begin the process of claiming, as well as how much your injury may be worth, as we take a look at our compensation injury amounts table. If you have any questions or requests, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Whether you'd like to seek compensation for a shoulder injury after a car accident or any other type of accident, as long as the accident was down to the negligence of a third party, you may be entitled to compensation. So, that's whether or not you may be eligible. But how do you begin a shoulder injury claim? Well, we strongly recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with shoulder injury claims. Now, the good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk not only offers a no-win, no-fee service, which means that there's no upfront fees, and if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay, but we're also happy to offer you a completely free, zero obligation consultation. We will talk through your case with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us whenever you'd like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, by calling our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676 or by visiting our around the clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. If you're asking how much compensation will I get for a shoulder injury, during this consultation, we'll be happy to go over shoulder injury compensation case studies and use our shoulder injury compensation calculator in order to help you establish your shoulder injury claim value that you may be entitled to in total, as the figures that we'll shortly be going over will be for your injuries alone and do not include any additional sums for things like loss of income from time off work, any medical expenses, the cost of any trips made in relation to your injury, and any other expenses associated with your injury. Now we're going to take a look at how much your injuries may be worth when claiming compensation by taking a look at our shoulder injury compensation claim amount table. So on the table that we have in front of us right now, we can see 4 different severities of shoulder injuries. The top one is severe. This is for injuries such as severe branchial plexus damage causing full immobility of the shoulder. Claim amounts, you're looking at something between £16,830 right the way up to £42,110. This is just the award for the injury, so this doesn't include anything else. So this doesn't include any loss of income, any medical costs, none of those. So those will be added on top, so the figure may be greater. Then we're looking at serious shoulder injuries, the second box down. This is medium-term injuries such as serious shoulder dislocation causing full immobility of shoulder. You're looking at something between £11,200 right the way up to £16,830. Then on to moderate short-term injuries such as a frozen shoulder injury. You're looking at anything between £6,920 right the way up to £11,200. Then finally we're on to minor shoulder injuries such as a minor fracture of the clavicle that still leaves the shoulder free to move. You can claim anything up to £6,920. I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself, and does not include the amount of any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk.
Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.